Hello folks, a very short video today on the Lucas bell restoration. This is before paint. It's received a coat of cure rust. Prior to that, I had the wire wool, smoothed all the rust out, got rid of all the loose corrosion and smoothed it down. The lower portion with the mechanism has been cleaned in paraffin, and that's come up amazingly well. This hasn't even been oiled yet, and you can see just how well it goes. So I am pleased with that. There's the old primer underneath, nice shiny steel. Very good. The strikers, they've been in the Genolite fluid and also been wire wooled, so they're ready to refit now. I've straightened out the bracket, also been cure rusted. Screws have been cleaned up, they won't be painted for obvious reasons, and the next time you see it, it will have received 2 coats of the Aldi metal protective paint, or rather Lidl. I never know which one it is, but yeah, I won't be doing the inside, of course. I'll just give the inside of the bell, the dome, a blow over just to coat the edges here, but it's pointless doing the actual inside. I'll carefully mask this off, and then it'll be done. Nice easy project. Have it done in a day or two, the whole lot. Ready to go again.